this class, we do computer maintenance and computer technician. We learn a little bit of the hardware and software. They learn how to troubleshoot. We work with programming also. We do Python and we do C programming, working with the Raspberry Pis and Arduino boards. So we do a little of everything that has to do with the IT field. In this program, we do offer the Google IT support service certification. The student will complete, that's like a 6-month course, will complete it through this program. They will be put in a database to hopefully be called for a job to work with T-Mobile, Verizon, and Google. Well, the feedback I get is they really enjoy working with the units. They get a unit assigned to them and they get to actually do the hands-on on it. They get to troubleshoot it. They get to do all the scenarios that they could possibly think of with that unit. Once they get onto working with it, they realize this is pretty fun. I do show the student a step-by-step to make sure that they're going to learn the lesson, learn how to, every single part of the computer and how to take it apart, put it back together, and that's how they're going to realize that it's really simple for them, not to be afraid or worried that they may not understand what they're doing. I try to make it as simple as possible for them, step by step.
What got me interested was, well, last year I took 2 years of software and my teacher had recommended this class to take just the hardware and I decided, well, might as well continue. The little bit things I learned is how to troubleshoot a PC, how to fix it, and now we're learning about Cisco, which is actually pretty cool with the stuff that you can do with it. For me, I like learning about these things and I pick them up fast. At first, it was a little bit scary, but eventually it's like, well, we're all here to learn. Like, it's okay if we do our mistakes, we eventually learn from them. And in the long run, well, we look back at it and like, oh yeah, we came a long way, and it brings me up.